Congratulations.
Thank you.
Business Manila.
I know, right? It's always been a dream of mine. I've always wanted to do something in this field. I took a BSc, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship in Enderan a few years ago, but I didn't get to finish it. And I was busy with my career, showbiz. And finally, with the help of Miss Lance and Sir Dennis, I was able to finally pursue a dream that I've been wanting to do. And sana, this is the start of more and more business ventures for me.
Natapos mo na ba yung school? Kasi
No, I didn't get to finish it actually. I was too busy. It was too hard for me to juggle it at the same time. That was a time when Dahil Sayo came out and had to be out of the country a lot. At the time then.
pero ang galing kasi yung passion mo.
Yes, of course, yeah.
How many do you still plan to finish?
I mean, eventually, if I was able to do 3 years of it, if given the time, I'd want to be able to finish my course. Yeah, I mean, if I have the time for it, I'd really want to finish it because part of the thesis that I have to actually do is to come up with an actual business. So now I can do it.
Why Percy pala?
So the inspiration behind Hersey, actually, it's my grandfather's real last name. So it's not Pascual, it's actually Herzig. My grandfather, who's German, Herzig talaga yung last name namin. So I kind of wanted to make something that was very personal, but playing with it, making it more easier to say, Hersey. And the period is just kind of aesthetics na siguro.
For aesthetics.
Yeah.
Saan na yun sa mother side?
My dad's side. My dad's side, yeah.
So it's a little bit different for you.
Yeah.
Hugo, how's the Hollywood projects going?
Good. I'm going back. Actually going back to the States next month. Early next month. I'm doing another film in the States, and I'll be doing a movie out there, and I'm excited for it. It's something very different from what I've done before. I'm going to be in the Navy in the movie. So once I get back, I'll be doing the look test for it, and we'll be filming it actually in a real Navy ship. So exciting.
Sino matulungan sa Hersey?
I have my business partners, Miss Lani and Sir Dennis, of course. And I'm very, very hands-on with it. With a lot of the products. Right now, we're focusing on what we currently have. But in the future, my hair changes so much. I want to be able to cater to other hair textures and other hair conditions, siguro. We're not staying with just what we have. We want to expand in the future.
Yung upcoming movie mo, it's US?
US po. It's a US movie. Yeah.
Hollywood. So how is it? How did you get that for the audition?
I audition pa rin non-stop. I'm still auditioning even while I'm here in the Philippines. I do my self-tapes. It's still ongoing, and I love the process of it. 9 out of 10, you don't get it, but it's really the process of auditioning that I find very fun and very enjoyable.
Would you say na-adjusted ka na sa buhay sa amin?
I spent my young years in the States before I joined the industry in the Philippines, so it wasn't much of an adjustment. I feel like for me, it was just going back to another place that I call home.
Sa music, ano update sa'yo sa
Music, I'm excited for it. Actually, I just had a meeting 2 days ago. We'll be making more music soon. Really exciting.
Do you see that dynamic in this business?
No, this is all me. My dad's very supportive of it, and of course my business partners. And my dad supports me in all of it. He actually was praying for me before I got here today, and he's in Batangas right now. He's out diving, but he wishes that he could be here. And super supportive siya. He's asking me give me some photos that I can post to promote your brand. He's been trying some of my products. We've gone through many different versions of it, especially the hair putty, the hairspray. We've been trying it. We wanted to really make sure that it's the right formula that works for men's hair, and actually even the hair stick that we have. It's really important for on-the-go situations, and women can also use it. It looks like a deodorant, and para lang siyang commit to chang o merong mga tumitikos sa buhok. It's easy to just have it to go down right away. And with these products, we want to make it available to everyone. We want to make it some accessible to everyone. So we want to keep it at that, and I'm really excited to what more we can do with this product and this brand. Sorry.
OC ka ba sa vlog?
Super, super. Actually, I think a lot of dudes are more OC than women are. I feel like pag inaayos na ako kunyari sa ASAP or sa mga events ko, mas ako yung talaga nag-aayos ng buhok ko ever since. So, being able to start a business like this really means a lot to me because it's something that I actually have a lot of focus on whenever I get ready.
Ginagamit na ni Papa mo yung mga...
Yes, he's been using it. He has some of the sample products. He doesn't have the new packaging that we have right now, but he was one of the people that actually helped me test out the products.
Balikan ko na rin sa music. The very year kasi di ba nag-perform yung Young Boy ng...
Yeah.
Kasi honestly talaga, parang yung dahil sa'yo sobrang hit siya before.
Thank you. Yeah.
How was it like watching a younger boy?
It's so sweet, seeing how he probably was too young to even know what that song was when that song came out. But to see that, kids nowadays still know the song, it really is really sweet. Makes me really happy that it's still around, and I'm excited to hopefully this next chapter in my music, I'll be able to create a new Dahil Sa'yo. Exciting times, and nakakataba ng puso to see a little kid performing my song, especially at the launch of my brand.
Nico, what's your advice to young men, the importance of like self-care and grooming?
Yeah. Well, of course, I think it's very important. I think Filipinos in general are very hygienic naman. We take really good care of ourselves. And I really wanted to create a brand that caters to everyone, but targeting mainly the men market. Kasi a lot of times nanghihiram tayo sa girlfriend natin ng mga products or, like your mga kapatid nilang babae. So now we have our own set of products that we can use for ourselves. And but that was one of the last minute requests that I had. I wanted to create a product that not just styles the eyebrows but also helps grow it. So our serum is actually all natural, so there's no harmful chemicals in it. We made sure of that, and it's a natural hair growth serum. At the same time, it helps style the eyebrows. Kasi yung ibang mga eyebrows style gel, you can see that it's sobrang fixed, but with this one, it's more of a natural look, but holding the shape at the same time. Look at my eyebrows, it's growing.
Inigo pa ang question, nagkaroon ka naman ng buhok. Kapitan ka pero hindi ko siya.
Yes. Gusto ko maiyak. I feel like a lot of people have gone through that. Yung tinatanong ka, kumusta sir, okay ba? Ang ganda. And actually, original plan for the eyebrow growth serum was it was supposed to be just a hair growth serum. So it was, di ba minsan we lose our hair dito. Especially for me, that's one of the areas that actually I started to lose hair. I think it's from wearing hats or something. It's actually, you could also use it for that. You can just get like a little bit of it applied. And what I like to do is I rub it sa mismong hair ko, sa mismong eyebrows. You could also use it here. I wish I've been doing because I have a tendency to lose hair dito sa mga part ng ulo ko na to. What was the question again? Yung naka-haircut. Yeah, it's happened to me a lot of times. And I choose my haircut personally. Now I only go to one haircut guy, Sir Dean from 01 Story. And I've been with him for a couple, I think, years now. I think since during the pandemic, that's when I met him. And I've been only trusting him with my haircut. Yeah. Thank you guys so much.
What's your reaction pala yung dad mo? Still, parang pantasya pa rin siya nung nakararang. Of course, hindi rin.
Yeah, I mean, I'm happy. My dad's weirdly being paired with girls my age nowadays. So, like, yung movie niya sa MMFF last year with Janela. So I was like, that's my friend. Kasing edad ko si Janela, tapos yung next, si Sunaman. Sabi ko, sino next? Mas bata pa sa akin. So, I mean, my dad, I love that for him, and si Papa B yun eh. I mean, like, I'm really happy that he gets to be paired up with so much girls of different generations. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Sa mga
Yeah.